Hi guys, welcome to Digit. Today we'll be looking at how to connect your BoAt Rockerz 235V2 wireless Bluetooth headset to your smartphone or tablet. To begin with, first confirm that you have Bluetooth turned on your device. Ready to go. To pair your BoAt Rockerz 235V2, relatively simple process. On the device, press the multifunction play button, and you can see over here. Keep it long pressed for up to 6 seconds until the LED starts flashing red and blue rapidly like this. Then go to your device, scan. As you will see, you can see the Rockerz 235V2 is available for pairing. Tap, confirm pair, and there you go. Your Rockerz 235V2 is set up and ready to go. 100% battery, SBC connection, good to play. To disconnect your device, again simply press and hold the multifunction play button until the device powers off and disconnects automatically. Once you have paired your device with your smartphone or tablet, they will connect automatically when they're powered on within range. So as you can see, simply power on. A previously paired smartphone connects and auto connects and ready to go. That's it. Thank you for watching.